Vice President Jejomar Binay steps up his attacks against his rivals for the presidency, hitting 3 of them in one speech in Manila. The standard bearer of the United Nationalist Alliance first criticizes Davao City Mayor Rudy Duterte, who grabs the solo lead in back-to-back surveys by SWS and ABS-CBN. Duterte earlier challenged Binay to a debate on morality, graft, and corruption after the Vice President said Duterte is an executioner of poor people.
Yung debate, okay lang, anytime, any place. Ang tanong ko lamang, anong didebatehan natin? Inamin mo ng berdugo ka sa pagpapatay ng mahirap. O, anong didebatehin namin? Pero lamang kung tatanggihan niya, sige, mag-debate tayo.
Binay also laughs off Duterte calling him a berdugo ng pera ng tao or an executioner of the people's money.
Bagong Tagalog yata yun. Yung berdugo, pumapatay ng tao. Wala akong berdugo sa Makati. Ha?
The UNA standard bearer then takes a jab at Senator Grace Poe, who faced citizenship and residency issues before the Supreme Court ruled that she is natural born and is therefore qualified to run for president.
Merong isang kandidato ang sinasabi niya, ako naman marami ring karanasan. O nga, ang karanasan mo, tumigil ka sa Amerika.
Binay also slams Liberal Party standard bearer Mar Rojas, former Transportation and Interior Chief.
Meron naman isang kandidato dyan, ang pamumuno ng teka-teka. Ayaw gumawa ng desisyon. Yung PPP na kailangan ho natin sa infrastructure requirements natin, natapos ang kanyang panunungkulan, hindi niya ho nadesisyonan.
But Binay admits Rojas is the only real threat among the candidates because he is backed by the ruling administration party despite Rojas lagging in presidential polls. Despite the surge in Duterte's popularity, Binay remains confident that the machinery he has been building since 2010 would propel his victory in May. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Manila.